Honestly, I was both excited and a bit overwhelmed. But as soon as I start reviewing the entries, I realized that each and every one of the entries was a masterpiece.
I was blown away. The total number of submissions was impressive, but what stood out even more was the creativity and imagination in each one.
I was particularly impressed by the attention to the detail by the participants. Some models, they had like very much intricate designs, and it was just mind-blowing. Every entry had something so special, so it was so hard to choose. You are giving me a very hard time, but in the end, it was about recognizing those who really push the boundaries of what's possible with LEGO.